Chapter 27: Creating and Selling Digital Products. In the modern economy, digital products are the ideal way to generate passive income. Guides, ebooks, templates, and online courses have high profit margins, are easy to scale, and don't require production or logistics costs. But creating a quality digital product is an enormous effort. Development, writing, design, and layout can take months. AI is completely changing the situation. It allows anyone with an idea to become a digital product creator, eliminating all technical barriers. This chapter will show you how to use modern tools to launch your digital product in a matter of weeks or even days. Modern AI systems will help you at every stage. Idea generation. They can help you find an in-demand niche where demand exceeds supply. Content creation. You can use neural networks to write texts for ebooks, guides, scripts for courses, and articles. Development. They can help in creating templates, checklists, and other useful materials. Design and layout. You can use neural networks to create covers, illustrations, and other visual elements that will make your product attractive. From idea to concept. To create a successful digital product, start with the right idea. Algorithms will help you find a promising niche and develop a concept that will be in high demand. Step 1. Niche and audience analysis. You must understand what your audience needs and what problems it wants to solve. Prompt. You are a digital product expert. I want to create a digital product for beginner designers. What problems do they want to solve? What skills do they want to master? Analyze the market and suggest 5 ideas for a guide or template that will be in high demand. Step 2. Creating the product structure. Once you have an idea, you need to create a clear structure. Prompt. Develop a detailed structure for an ebook guide on how to use Midjourney to create commercial illustrations. The guide should consist of 5 chapters with a detailed description of what the student will master in each chapter. After you have created the structure, it's time to fill it with content. With modern technologies, you can turn a plan into a finished product in a matter of days. Use neural networks to write the text for your guide, ebook, or course script. Prompt. You are a design expert. Write the first chapter for a guide on how to use Midjourney to create commercial illustrations. Explain what Midjourney is, how to get started, and how to properly create your first prompt. The text should be easy for a beginner to understand. Design and layout. Visual design is no less important than the content itself. With neural networks, you can create an attractive design even if you are not a designer. Covers. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate a unique cover that will attract customers' attention. Illustrations. Generate illustrations and graphs for each chapter or section of your product. Monetizing and promoting digital products. For your digital products to generate income, they need to be properly packaged and promoted. Here, AI also becomes your main assistant. First, to start, you need to choose a platform on which to sell your products. You don't need your own website to start selling. There are platforms that will handle all the technical issues, including payment, delivery, and file storage. Gumroad and Lemon Squeezy. These are simple and convenient services for selling digital products. They take a small percentage of sales, but in return give you a ready-made store, email newsletter tools, and analytics. Second, marketing and promotion. For people to learn about your product, it needs to be promoted. AI will also help you with this. Sales page, landing page. Use ChatGPT to create the text for your product's sales page. Include a description of the problem, its solutions, benefits, and a call to action. Email newsletter. Write a series of emails for your audience in which you announce the product, talk about its benefits, and motivate them to buy. Social media. Generate a series of posts and ad creatives for Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook that will drive traffic to your website. Conclusion. Technology turns your experience and knowledge into a source of income. It eliminates all the barriers associated with creation, promotion, and sales. All you need is an idea.